To start off, I have the porch chair, which I rate as 6 in comfort, 7 in cost, 3 in impact, 8 in safety, 8 in sustainability, 2 in sociability, 7 in function, and 6 in aesthetic. I think it's a very simple chair that's pretty cost effective, that does what it needs to, with just kind of being a place to sit on your porch. Next up, I have a tree swing, which I rated as 7 in comfort, an 8 in cost, an 8 in impact, a 5 in safety, a 6 in sustainability, a 6 in impact, a 7 in function, and 9 in aesthetic. I love tree swings personally. They don't really endanger nature, as they mostly just hang on a tree. They're pretty cost effective and require very little resources to make, let alone the fact that they fit an aesthetic really well. Next up, I have a bus stop, which I would say is a 4 in comfort, a 5 in cost, a 5 in impact, a 7 in safety, a 6 in sustainability, a 7 in social impact, a 9 in function, and a 5 in aesthetic. I would say this is pretty safe, is the big thing I'd give it, because it has the roof on top, which is a good place to sit during the rain, and a nice place to just sit and wait for the bus. Once again, I think this is actually really good design, because it's a nice place to wait until your transportation comes, which could be a few minutes, could be like an hour. Either way, it definitely accomplishes what it needs to. Up next is the park bench, which I give a 3 in comfort, an 8 in cost, a 6 in environmental impact, a 5 in safety, a 6 in sustainability, 8 in sociability, 6 in function, and a 7 in aesthetic. These are particularly uncomfortable, as they're just wood or steel linked together, but at the same time, I think it's a very good design, as if you think of a park, it's kind of incomplete without these kind of thrown together benches. And for the last one, I have a poolside slab, which I rate a 4 in comfort, a 6 in cost, a 5 in environmental impact, a 3 in safety, 8 in sustainability, 7 in social impact, 5 in function, and a 5 in aesthetic. These definitely aren't the greatest pieces of seating in the world, and they could do with something else there, but it's a pretty small area that allows a lot of people to sit, in spite of being kind of dangerous, of just kind of being a piece of stone in the middle of the pool area. It effectively creates what it needs to with a big area to sit. Thank you.